I was having a review meeting relating to the projects being implemented by NHIDCL, be it Garo Hills, Khasi-Jaintia Hills. So in the meeting, we discussed about this Dainadubi road, Dainadubi-Darogre-Williamnagar junction road, which the formalities has been already completed. So we have some small issue. The pending issue is relating to compensatory afforestation, and I'm happy to inform you that even this compensatory afforestation diversion of land is more or less in the final stage, where the forest department has already identified the area for compensatory afforestation, and once this is handed over to forest department, then the project will take off. And then point number 2, again, few pending stretches on Tura-Dalu road that again, because of the landowners, they are yet to hand over the land, to hand over the possession of land in few stretches, about maybe 2.5 to 3 kilometers, and that also we have discussed, and I've given direction to the Deputy Commissioner Tura to fast track these pending issues with the concerned landowners as well as with this council, so that the hurdles in handing over those possession can happen immediately, because now the work is on only that stretch where we still could not start due to the land issue. So I'm very sure with this decision we taken today, we'll be able to make it. I have directed all the deputy commissioners to have a committee in their district level under the chairmanship of the deputy commissioners. Whenever the project of NHIDCL takes place, this committee has to be activated, and even the land issue needs to be attended to while surveying of alignment is undertaken. I'm very sure this survey, as of now, it goes well, and I'm very sure very soon they'll be able to complete the survey works and also the assessment for the land compensation. And we need to understand one thing: this 4-lane is the most important project as far as Meghalaya state is concerned, because this is the only project where we call it the Northeast Corridor project, which was already included in the Mission 2047 by the NDA Government. So from the state government, we really wanted to make sure that this project goes smoothly till the handing over of the land to the NHIDCL for construction of the 4-lane.